Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this problem set. So now 32 divided by 2 is 16, divided by 2 is 8, divided by 2 is 4, divided by 2 is 2. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, so I have 1/2, 4th root, just kidding, of 2 to the 4th and the 4th root of 2 plus 2/3, and then I have 162. So 162 divided by 2 is 81, 3 and 27, 3 and 9, 3 and 3. So then I have the 4th root of 3 to the 4th and the 4th root of 2. So I have 1/2 times 2, 4th root of 2 plus 2/3 times 3, 4th root of 2. So my 2's cancel out. I have the 4th root of 2 and then plus 2 and the 4th root of 2. So then I get 3, the 4th root of 2. Skipping 2, going to 3. So 54 is 2 and 27, 2 and 9. Sorry, 3 and 9, 3 and 3. So this is the cube root of 27 and the cube root of 2. 128 is 2 and 64, 2 and 32, 2 and 16, 2 and 8, 2 and 4, 2 and 2. So I have 1 of them, I have 2 of them. So I have plus the cube root of 8, cube root of 8, and the cube root of 2. So 3 cube root of 2 plus 4 cube root of 2 gives me 7 cube root of 2. Question 5 is 80, 2 and 40, 2 and 20, 2 and 10, 2 and 5. So this is 5/2, 4th root of 2 to the 4th, 4th root of 5, plus 7/3. 405 is divisible by 5, so that's 81, 3 and 27, 3 and 9, 3 and 3. So this is the 4th root of 81 and the 4th root of 5. So this is 5/2 times 2, 4th root of 5 plus 7/3, 3 times the 4th root of 5. So the 3's and the 2's cancel out, so I'm left with 12 and the 4th root of 5. We're going to multiply, so this is -3, 4th root of 6 times 8, and b to the 6th. So 2 and 3, 2 and 4, 2 and 2, so there's 4 2's. So -3, 4, 2 to the 4th. And then I'm left with a 4th root of b to the 4th. I'm left with 2 more b's that I don't have, and a 3. So this gives me -3 times 2 times, times b, and a 4th root of 3b squared. So -6b 4th root of 3b squared. Okay, so that was one of the notes pages. Remember, my notes pages were all like messed up. Sad. Okay. Do a box here. Cube root of x minus 5, cube root of x minus 3, cube root of x squared, -5 cube root of x, -3 cube root of x, and a positive 15. So across the diagonal gives me a -8. So this is the cube root of x squared minus 8 cube root of x and plus 15. Again, we'll multiply. So -21 cube root of 4 times 18. So -21 cube root 2 times 2, 2 times 3 times 3. So I have 3 2's here, so -21 cube root of 8, and then the cube root of 9. So 42, so -42 cube root of 9. 13. Cube root of 16 over 54, and then m to the fourth m. So they're both divisible by 2, so this gives me the cube root of 8, the cube root of m cubed, and then this is the cube root of 27. So this will be 2m over 3. Okay, 15. Oh boy. All right, so I have the cube root. I guess I should probably, let's move it all together first. So I have 16 over 54. I have an x to the fourth. I'm going to move my x to the negative second up. I have my y to the fourth. I'm going to move my y to the negative second down, and then I'm going to use my rules of exponents. So I have the cube root of 16 x to the sixth over 54 y to the sixth. So then that's the cube root of 8 over 27 x to the sixth and y to the sixth. So it's a cube root of 8, cube root of x cubed, cube root of x cubed, cube root of 27, cube root of y cubed, and the cube root of y cubed. So 2x squared over 3y squared. Yeah. 16, we're skipping to 17 because it's an even. I just don't do the evens, remember? So because I say skip doesn't mean you actually skip them. You're just supposed to do all the even ones by looking at the ones I did that were odd. Okay. All right, so I need 2 more 3s, and I need an x. So this gives me, just kidding, 3 cube root of 3 squared x over 3x. So then my 3's go away, and I'm left with the cube root of 9x over x. Because remember, this here will make cube root of 3 cubed and x cubed. So that's why I get 3x. Okay, 19. I would have probably rewritten this, so the fourth root of 2 squared and x squared, so that I know how many 2's I need and how many x's I need. This should be an equal sign. So I need 2 more 2's, and I need 2 more x's. So this would be 4th root of 4x squared over 2x. And then I can reduce. So I get 4th root of 4x squared over x. Okay, and then number 21, last one. So this is the 4th root of 64, 4th root of c to the 5th, and the 4th root of d squared. So 64, 2, 32, 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2. So I have 4, 2, so then this is the 4th root of 2 to the 4th, the 4th root of 2 squared, the 4th root of c to the 4th, and the 4th root of c all over the 4th root of d squared. So this will give me a 2c, 4th root of 4c over the 4th root of d squared. And now I need 2 more d's. So this is going to give me, just kidding, 2c, 4th root of 4cd squared over d. Okay, and that is it for all the odd-numbered questions.